Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys with me to shop at Dollar Tree. So I have never done a Dollar Tree shop with me video, but I thought it would be super fun to do that, especially right now around fall and Halloween time, so I can video some fall and Halloween finds that I find at the Dollar Tree. If you guys didn't know, everything here at the Dollar Tree is $1, but I actually did see something on the news. I'm not sure if that's true, but so basically Dollar Tree is going to be upping some of their prices on their products too. Some of the things are going to be higher than $1. All of the Dollar Trees here around me, everything is $1. They don't have any above $1 sections or anything like that, just everything is $1. So they are talking about maybe having some more products that are above $1, maybe even $2. So I'm not too sure, but anyways, today I'm going to be taking you guys with me to shop the fall and Halloween at Dollar Tree. Mostly everything was Halloween. There is some fall things, but I found a ton of great things, especially for only $1. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I found at the Dollar Tree, just keep watching. But before we start today's video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload, and let's start this Dollar Tree shop with me video. The first thing we have is some Halloween decor. So there is some skulls, some skull heads, and then there is like a skull bird or some, I think that's a bird, I'm not sure. And then we have some of these like decorative skulls. I can't remember what they call them, but yeah, they have bowls and some like wall decor. There's some bats, and then more of these skulls like that. It's from Day of the Dead. So yeah, they have like little ones you can color, plates, wall decor, stuff like that. Then we have some pumpkin carver sets. They have a lot of those. And then we have a ton of like Halloween party items. So they have everything you would need to throw a Halloween party. They do have even these little Halloween baskets for trick-or-treating. Looks like a mummy, and there's some skeleton buckets probably to put candy in. And then we have just like a ton of cups. There is regular cups, and then these ones look like wine cups with like a skull hand wrapped around it. They had tons of those. And then there are some little pumpkins. They are like glitter pumpkins, just an orange pumpkin with like a ton of glitter on it, but the glitter was definitely falling off. There was glitter everywhere. So now we have some like party little favors for Halloween. They have tons of different ones. They have little boxes, some pencils, bracelets, just a ton of different like party favors for Halloween theme things. And then there are again more, there's a bucket, and it has a ton of these little decorative flower things for Halloween. You could definitely use these for centerpieces, or you could even use them in a wreath. Yeah. And then look, there is tons of like this mesh ribbon wrap with Halloween themed. It looks like a spider web on it. And then we have some Halloween items that you could put out in your yard. There's like a beware sign, there's some eyeballs, a package of little skulls, and then there's like these Halloween bags. I'm sorry if you guys can notice my voice is a little bit off, and that's because allergies are kicking my butt right now. I have a sore throat from allergies. It's totally wiped me out the last couple days. But anyways, here is some Beware Spooky Enter If You Dare. There's some things you could put on your windows and doors to make it like Halloween. They even have like the little stickers that stick on your doors. There's like bags of spiders over there. There's some ghosts, more eyeballs, and then we have some more. There's another little like Halloween thing you could put out in your yard. I think it had a skull on it. And then here we have some tissue paper. more bags that say trick or treat. They definitely had a ton of bags, and then more bags. You guys can see they have Halloween bags, pumpkin bags. Here's another danger keep out sign for like your yard or porch. They also did have these little ornaments, and they are Halloween themed. They look like an eyeball, and they're like spooky themed ornaments for, I guess you could have a little Christmas, like not a Christmas tree, but like a Halloween tree. And then they do have these ribbons that you could wrap on stairs or your porch. They have paint, and they had a ton of little like Halloween craft things. Here is like some I think these are placemats, or you could use them for like a Halloween craft. They look like pumpkins. There's a spider. And then they had tons of like little buckets. There is this pumpkin little thing that you could paint and put stuff in. And like I said, there was a ton of different like Halloween crafts that you could paint or color. There's signs that say trick or treat, which way to the candy with the little witch on them. And then like just a ton of different craft things. So that would be super fun for kids if you had any. And then there are some like little witch hat things. I think that would be perfect for like a centerpiece, or again, like you could make a Halloween wreath for your door. That would be really good for that. And then like I said, they had a ton of like these little trick-or-treat buckets. They are real metal buckets. And then here we have some more Halloween decor. So these are a little bit bigger of pieces, things you could use to decorate your yard or porch with. And then they also have several different little like things you could use for a wreath. They have a witch's hat, spider web, sign that says boo. They have some more skeleton like bats up there. They have like one that looks like a ghost with the witch's hat on. There's a pumpkin, a ghost that says boo, and then a vampire. So just a ton of little different pictures. Now they had tons and tons of candy. So they had pretty much a whole aisle of candy for Halloween. You guys can see the whole aisle is just full of candy. And then they also had a whole aisle full of like Halloween costumes for little kids, just different things for Halloween that you could use for dress up and stuff like that. They have fake hair, swords, guns. They even have like a little bee costume that you could buy, and they also have a ladybug costume, and it even has the wings for both of those right there. Then they have just some regular like fairy wings, some skirts. They have like, so pretty much you could get a whole Halloween costume here. They have cheetah ears, cat ears. There's like some night things for boys or a girl, I guess. They have Star Wars masks. They have more swords. So they basically just have like a ton of different little kids dress up Halloween things. Now here we are back to some more crafts. They have some Halloween ribbon, some that looks like spider webs. The orange one actually says Happy Halloween. And then we have some just Halloween mesh. It is like purple, orange, and black. Now we are into some fall. So there wasn't very much fall, so this is like most of the fall stuff that there were. There was like these little things you could hang on your door. It says welcome. It's like a scarecrow. Then they do have like the fall and Thanksgiving like party themed things. Like there's a pumpkin, one looks like a turkey. They have the plates, napkins, and cups for just fall, probably, which would be Thanksgiving. You guys, they're actually really cute. They have little pumpkins and flowers on the plates. And then we do have some fall ribbon. They have some that says like happy fall and stuff like that. We got plaid, ones with leaves, just fall colors. And they actually have a lot of that. They actually did have like that farmhouse plaid ribbon too. I actually did buy that one.
Yeah, it was just a ton of different ribbon. Mostly it was the same ribbon over and over again. Then they also did have these little fall buckets. One has a sunflower, an owl, and then like a scarecrow on one. You could make like a flower arrangement in. They also had these little fall signs. One says pumpkin spice everything, hello October, and I love fall most of all. I thought these signs were really cute, and they were like perfect for like some decor for fall. Actually, I've seen things like this at TJMAXX and stuff for way more expensive than it was here. And then they also do have like Halloween cards and Thanksgiving cards. I think it was mostly just Halloween cards that you can give people. I didn't know people actually gave Halloween cards, but yeah, they had a ton of Halloween cards. Next we do have some fall stuff. So this is like that farmhouse plaid, and they have like, it's like says hello fall, count your blessings, just like cute little sayings like that. One says bless, like the little oven mitt says bless, and then plate that says blessed. But they had like plates, coffee mugs, towels, and mats. Now they do have this one is like a hello pumpkin. This is like a floor doormat that you put outside, and then this one says gather here. So they had two different ones of those.
Alright guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel. I am almost to 2,000 subscribers, so I'm super excited for that. I'm going to be having a big giveaway once I hit 2,000 subscribers. But yeah, that's all I have for you in today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video.